The Nasdaq turning positive this hour, and Mike, it felt quite negative a few hours back, but we're on track for at least one of the averages with a record closing it.
Yeah, another one of those days where just the rotation kind of rescues the market. In this case, the rotation into the very big, very familiar Nasdaq stocks is handling things. Mentioned earlier that we did just kind of shuttle down at the lows of this morning to where we closed last Thursday. So it's just kind of a lot of times when you an all-time high on a jobs day, it's kind of like it was just too good to be true. Let's test it to see if it was real. So it has been a story of rotation, not liquidation. I don't know if that means that, that's all we need is this little flutter to the downside. But it shows you that the market, even with yields lower and this sort of flavor of, decelerating growth, it's not really undermining the overall trend yet.
Lindsey, the ISM services number was a little weaker than expected, albeit still not bad. But does that suggest that maybe we're cooling off when it comes to the recovery and causing some investor jitters?
Look, I think it certainly fueled a little anxiety today, at least earlier in the market when it came out. I think when you see a number like that, sure, it was a little bit worse than expected, but still very strong, the third strongest report in the history of that series. So a very good number by historical standards. But people are skittish and worried about this peak growth story. Is the second quarter going to be the peak growth and we just go downhill from here? I think really it was a reflection of the strength in the recovery that we have seen and the shortages that we have in the labor market that's still working its way out, in part because of the stimulus story that is still out there. So I think this is going to take a little bit of time, and it's kind of natural to see some hiccups like this when you're still in a recovery phase and in a recovery that could potentially be accelerating.
Mike, was the yields because of that slightly soft data this morning, or?
They were tilted lower before the data came out, but it did push it further in that direction. So it's not a question of because, but it's certainly accommodating this bid for bonds that is really seems like the most confounding thing to the majority, and therefore it's going to keep happening until maybe people capitulate to it. I've also pointed out there's almost no time spent in the yield between like 1.15 and 1.45. So if you looked at how fast we went up, there's a bit of an air pocket in the chart right there. So that could be, just people going to test when sellers might actually show up here.
And as we sit here at the yield at 1.358%, shares of Amazon moving in the opposite direction of most of the market, jumping today as Andy Jassy officially took the helm as CEO on Monday. Bezos, who has served as Amazon CEO since founding the company 27 years ago, will now be executive chair, or is now executive chair. Amazon stock hitting an all-time high, rallying with other FANG names like Apple, Netflix, and Alphabet. Amazon is on track for its first record close since September. Lindsey, when you look at all of these FANG names kind of getting some more juice back into the stock values, is this an area that you think still has room to grow? And if you're an investor, the valuations might still be worth it, or would you think otherwise?
Well, if you look at the valuation of a company like Amazon, it's a stock that hasn't done much, but earnings have hit new highs, record quarterly high earnings in the first quarter. So this is a company that has taken advantage and been able to benefit from the crisis, the COVID crisis that we just went through. And its valuation has come down substantially, trading at about 60 times forward EPS. That's about half of its 10-year historical average. Now, granted, over time, we see growth slowing versus where it was in the earlier days, in the earlier stages of some of these businesses. But there's still a lot of growth coming, namely from cloud, where Andy Jassy is coming from. So that's a positive. But you also have the ad business that's growing and the fulfillment services that they have for some of the sellers. Those are areas where we're going to continue to see growth from this company. And the retail business, by the way, isn't exactly coming to a screeching halt. They're expanding into different areas on the online retail sales business. So I think that's also a very positive story for this stock. And it's a stock that I think maybe it's time for it to start to pick up. Same goes for some of the other FANG stocks that, like you mentioned, haven't done as well going into this part of the year.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.